In this animation, we'll take a look at the specific options offered for database sources in the settings pane. Since we're obtaining data from a database instead of a data file, the input data option refers more to the database itself rather than how to interpret the data. After all, databases all return the same type of information. It's pretty universal. Because a database generally contains multiple tables, here we list them all, and clicking on any of the tables shows the first line of the data in that table. Need more power? Click on the Custom SQL button and work on your database using whatever language the database supports. If it supports stored procedures including inner joins, grouping, and sorting, all the better for you. It'll work here without a hitch. In fact, here's an example. Want to know more? There's an animation for that. Check it out in the course. Since database data sources are in the same structure as CSV files, the options are identical to these files. Boundaries will define how many lines appear for each source record. This can be a static number of lines, or it can be based on the content of a field changing, creating a new record when, for instance, the customer ID changes. Of course, there's also an advanced scripted option to determine boundaries, but that's beyond the scope of this animation, so there's another animation on that.